Mifepristone has been available in the US for 22 years. When used with other medication, it's become the most common method of abortion in the country. But the drug's availability is now under question by a Texas judge after a request from an anti-abortion group.
It appears that the process has been politicized since the beginning. When it was approved in the year 2000, the FDA broke several of its own rules in order to approve it.
The case is being heard in the town of Amarillo, but the plaintiffs are asking District Judge Matthew Kaczmarek for an order that would halt sales nationwide while the lawsuit proceeds. They're suing the US Food and Drug Administration, saying it did not adequately consider the safety of the drug when used by girls under the age of 18. The judge also heard from the Justice Department and an attorney from Mifepristone's manufacturer, Danco Laboratories. They argued the drug had an impressive record of being safe and effective.
It feels like we have gone back in history. When I was a young mother in 1962, they were just starting to let women take the pill. And so now we've come to abortions have been legal since '73, and now they're not.
The judge raised the possibility of a more limited ruling, making the pill only accessible in person rather than through the mail. But some Amarillo residents say they have to drive at least 5 hours to access medical services for abortion.
It's very scary to know that women are going to be pushed into even a more difficult position when they need or want to terminate a pregnancy.
Protesters say further restrictions on the drug would be a step backwards for women's rights.
The young voters have to get out there and make a difference. We know what it was like before, but it's not easy to convey that to anybody until they've experienced it themselves.
Judge Kaczmarek says he'll be making a ruling as soon as possible. Tom Canetti, ABC News.